If you're looking for a new hosting provider and are torn between Hostinger or Siteground, you're going to want to check this video before you decide. They are two giants of the web hosting world. Both look good on the surface, but which one is the best choice for you in 2025? I host several websites, so I thought it would be interesting to try out both of these providers side by side. I focused on 5 aspects, these being price, features, security, ease of use, and customer service. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what I found. Before we jump into details, if at any point while watching the video you feel you do want to give either company a go without paying the full asking price, you could save quite a lot of money by using the discount link in the description under this video. When you combine the discount with the sale they are already offering, you stand to gain a very decent saving. When it comes to pricing, these are both very similar when you first sign up. Hostinger offers a startup package for $2.50 a month compared to Siteground's $2.99. However, as we get into more feature-heavy packages, Siteground does get more expensive than Hostinger, and for a good reason. While you get everything you need for a beginner or a small website with Hostinger, Siteground is really way ahead of features needed for more experienced or large-scale enterprises. So what do you get for your money? The basic package from Hostinger offers 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, weekly backups, unlimited SSL, free emails, and a free domain. You could also take advantage of the WordPress one-step installation and free migration of your WordPress site from your previous provider. You get automatic updates and vulnerability scanners on your WordPress site. Plus, they give you CLI and SSH, which allows you to update plugins, change your settings, and manage your website more directly. If this is your first time building a website, Hostinger offers a website builder. They use a drag and drop method of website creation. There are more than 150 templates to use, and what is more is they give you the option to use AI to help you create your website, copyright it, use heat maps, and also help with your website's SEO. There are also e-commerce features, such as accepting over 20 different payment options. How does Siteground compare in terms of features? They offer only one website on a basic package and just 10 gigabytes of storage. The free SSL and emails are the same as Hostinger, as are the e-commerce and WordPress offerings. The benefits of Siteground's basic package are daily backups instead of weekly. Free CDN. CDN helps speed up loading times for people located in different places, as it caches your site's data on multiple servers around the globe and sends it to the visitor from the one closest to them. They also offer to match the amount of energy your website consumes with renewable energy back into the grid, so your site can boast of its 0% carbon footprint. That is the basic package covered, and I would say Hostinger is ahead. But stay tuned, because things might not be as they first appear. When we take a look at the medium range packages from both providers again, the price are similar. Hostinger costs $370, while Siteground is asking $499. Hostinger's 100 websites gets you outplayed by Siteground offering an unlimited number. However, the amount of web space available is a lot more than Hostinger's package. Hostinger's upgrades now give you daily backups, which matches Siteground. The WordPress options are extended so you can preview changes you make to your website before they go live. Object caching to store database queries and bring them back up quickly the next time they are needed is also included. You could back up your site anytime you want, and more AI tools are also made available for WordPress. Siteground offers the same WordPress upgrades as well as 30% increase in the performance speed. There's not a lot on the offer here that you don't get from Hostinger. Where Siteground really comes into its own, it's with GoGeek, top of the range package. It is considerably more expensive than Hostinger, but you get the whole lot for your money. We are looking at Hostinger's $799 versus $1399 for Siteground. An upgrade to Hostinger's cloud service gives you your own dedicated IP address. While going for Siteground, GoGeek package will allow you to integrate your site with GIT, as well as registering white label clients who can access sites and site tools which you created for them. In effect, you can become your own website host via Siteground without any of their logos or branding. Along with this, your site get their own private DNS, domain name, so you could brand your server as if it was your own. This is quite advantage stuff, and if you know what you're doing, potentially quite profitable. The difference in the prices between the two providers is starting to make sense. For the higher price, you could also get more resources, including more connection ability, more processing power, and the higher CPU seconds, to just name a few. In terms of how user-friendly they are, there is not much to separate them. Both Hostinger and Siteground have custom modern-looking control dashboards. Seeing them side by side, it's easy to see how similar they are. WordPress is downloadable with one click. Migrating your WordPress website from your previous provider is seamless. Hostinger uses what they call hPanel, which is clean and easy to navigate. Managing websites is easy from the dashboard as in installing apps and managing your email accounts. The website builder tool is also accessible from hPanel. The drag and drop format is easy to use, and the AI feature practically creates the website for you. Just type in some info about what your website to be about and let the AI help you design your site. Of course, you'll still need to put a bit of work into perfecting it. AI isn't going to create the site for you, but it will do the basics for you. Siteground uses the tried and tested cPanel. I found it difficult to separate them, but they are both smooth and well set out. They are both customizable, which is helpful for you to keep on top of your site, emails, and security from the dashboards. I would say there are more tools available for site developers on Siteground's dashboard, but that is to be expected as the service is geared towards the more advanced aspects of website creation. I was also rather happy with the customer service on offer from both companies. Siteground will try and help you solve the issue via the help section in the first instance. If it doesn't answer your question, you're given the option of using the 24-hour online chat. Or if you prefer, a phone line is also available. You could also email them and open a ticketed inquiry. Hostinger offers other services as well. And again, as with the dashboard, I cannot really fall on one side or the other. They both offer very good customer support. So the last aspect, but certainly not the least important, is security. Hostinger gives you the basic protection you might expect from free SSLs, DDoS protection, 2FA, and server level firewalls. And the weekly and daily automatic backups could really come useful. As you might expect, Siteground offers more advanced protection for the more advanced service it offers. As well as everything available on Hostinger, Siteground gives you free CDN setup, custom web application firewalls, and an AI anti-bot system, plus a server monitoring system which checks server status every 0.5 seconds. While Hostinger security is everything the average user likely to need. Siteground is like that, but on steroids. In conclusion, if you're the first-time website owner or have a small medium online business, Hostinger has got everything you need. If you have more advanced needs from your websites, you need a lot of sites up and running at once, or your sites are doing big business with a lot of traffic, then Siteground is for you. If you're a mastered web page creator and wish to move into web hosting game yourself, this is made possible with a subscription to Siteground's GoGeek package. If you like the look of either site, but you feel the price was off-putting, don't forget to click the link below and claim your discount. If you have any experience with these site providers, or if you want to ask any questions about the product, please feel free to leave a message in the comments section. If the video offers any value, hit up the like button. Thanks for watching and take care.